The following was produced by Tearsheet Studios. We worked with fintech software provider Strands to create an audio case study about HSBC's transformation as a bank for small businesses. The past few years have shown that business banking customers no longer have to wait days or weeks to apply and receive loans, to open bank accounts, and transact. Many new options are being offered by fintech firms that don't have to deal with large legacy technology stacks or legacy thinking. This frees them up to focus on servicing small business needs and delivering good banking experiences. Large incumbent banks don't have this luxury.
The businesses that we're talking about are run by individuals just like yourself and myself, right? So just like ourselves, they've got access to the PayPal, they've got access to Amazon, Apple, and all other more sophisticated technology platforms, which is inevitably raising their expectation in terms of some of the digital experiences they're having.
That's Urdi Karaka. He runs HSBC Kinetic, a bold move by the sixth largest bank in the world. It's an app-only digital bank servicing small businesses. But for the financial institution established in the 1860s, it's much more than that. With Kinetic, HSBC is building experience in agile development environments in the cloud, and with a branchless app that offers automated onboarding, in-app overdrafts, a controllable debit card, and a range of personal finance management budgeting and cash flow tools. To build out its new platform, HSBC spoke to 3,000 businesses, and while doing so, it became increasingly clear that Kinetic needed to be customer-centric to really deliver value.
Customers are actually, their needs are quite simple. They want, simple to consume information. They want flawless journeys. They want easy access to money. They want easy transactional banking. And beyond all of this, just like how Amazon knows when their fairy tablet will run out, they want their bank to know when they're going to run out of their money.
To do this, HSBC turned to Strands. Part of the CRIF Group, Strands is a fintech software company that develops AI-driven solutions for banks and financial institutions to help increase customer engagement and generate new revenue through digital channels. Strands draws on more than 15 years of experience in big data, machine learning, and artificial intelligence in its mission to improve the bank-client relationship. The company creates highly personalized digital money management solutions that empower people to better manage their lives and their businesses and to make smarter financial decisions. Headquartered in Barcelona, Strands has a strong presence in Europe, North and Latin America, and Asia, and has collaborated on delivering more than 700 digital banking implementations worldwide. Here's Strands CEO, Eric Briva.
By partnering with a bank, and in this case with HSBC, we have come on with the Kinetic solution together, so we can put in hands of the small and medium business the best tools to manage their finances properly, to access multiple bank accounts from Kinetic in order to manage all what they need to run their business properly. And this is powered by machine learning and artificial intelligence, so the customer can be automatically alerted, can be impressed by the recommendation that Kinetic is offering to them.
HSBC found that 70% of its customers manage their finances manually inside Excel spreadsheets. Small businesses also work with bookkeepers and accountants to make sense of their business health. As their bank, HSBC has access to all of a business's incoming and outgoing transactions. HSBC's Karaka sees the role of a banking partner in a small business ecosystem evolving. Kinetic wants to function as the financial data crux of a customer's financial life, and that means putting all the pieces together for its clients. Working with Strands, Kinetic can pull in external data to get a unified view of everything together.
In my opinion, though most people don't find it natural for banks to offer these services, I don't think there is more natural place for a bank to offer these than another, provider.
Working with Strands, Kinetic has a powerful transaction categorization engine within HSBC that is aligned to the UK's tax office. By categorizing those transactions, the business bank saves its customers days every month trying to manually reconcile what category spending should fall under. Customers get a cleaner view of who they spend money with. With some additional analytics, Kinetic gives customers a monthly breakdown of the changes in their spending per category.
As HSBC, we've heavily invested into beyond banking solutions because we see a clear gap in terms of how customers manage their business today. So we want to help them make that process easy.
Additionally, Kinetic uses Strands to take business finance management up a level by building personalized insights for customers. The bank's Smart Engine analyzes spending trends to understand all the bills a small business has coming up in the next few weeks, to tell it whether it's likely to hit zero or go into overdraft. From here, the app gives business customers options to take relevant actions. A customer can top up his account from another bank, or can cancel a payment, amend the payment, or reschedule it for a later date. Or if he needs funding, HSBC has options which customers can access straight through the app. With new competition in commercial banking by firms like Intuit and Goldman Sachs, banks can continue to provide a leadership position if they invest in helping their customers achieve better financial outcomes.
So we have already seen before that other incumbents in banking like big retailers or Amazon, Apple, and others. So and banks are still there and still being competitive, and that's the motto of life of Strand. So we are partnering with bank and financial institution to help them remain competitive, to help them offer a better user experience and continue leading the banking industry.